All right, if you're a faculty member here at Tuskegee University and you're ready to really level up your online teaching, you are in the right place. We're going to break down the Accelerated Certificate for Teaching Online Bootcamp, or CTO Bootcamp. It's a program from the Office of Distance Education that's really designed to transform your virtual classroom. So let's dive right in.
So what's the game plan for the next few minutes? Well, we're going to cover everything you need to know. We'll start with how you can get certified in just 3 days, then we'll get into why you should really attend and take a peek inside the day-to-day. After that, we'll break down the certifications you can earn and, probably most importantly, how to apply before that deadline sneaks up. Okay, first things first, let's talk about speed. This isn't some semester-long course you have to fit into your already busy schedule. No, this bootcamp is an accelerated, focused path to get you fully certified and confident in your online teaching skills in just 3 really intensive days.
And the whole goal here is pretty simple, to move you from theory to practice, and to do it fast. This is a hands-on, roll-up-your-sleeves kind of workshop, where you'll gain those essential skills to design and deliver online courses that are not just high quality, but also truly rigorous and engaging for our students.
All right, let's get into the key logistics so you can check your calendar right now. You're going to want to block off Wednesday, December 10th through Friday, December 12th. We'll be meeting in person at the Computer Lab in Kenny Hall, that's room 70-123, from 8:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. each day. And you don't have to worry about food. We've got you covered with breakfast and a working lunch to keep us all fueled up and focused.
So, the big question, why should you dedicate 3 full days to this? I know your time is valuable. Let's talk about the specific benefits and the incentives that make this bootcamp a fantastic investment of your time.
First off, who is this actually for? Well, basically, any Tuskegee University faculty or instructor is eligible to apply, as long as you haven't taken the CTO course before. Now, we are giving priority to faculty who have teaching assignments scheduled for the upcoming spring 2026 semester, and that's just because we want you to be able to use these new skills right away. And, to recognize your commitment, there's a $300 stipend available for all participants. The requirement for that is really straightforward. You just have to attend all 3 full days of the bootcamp and successfully complete all the required assignments and projects. That's it. Now for the really good stuff. What are you actually going to be doing during these 3 days? Let's break down that journey from the fundamentals all the way to a finished product day by day. The whole bootcamp is structured in a really logical way. Day 1 is all about laying that foundation with the rules and compliance, the stuff you have to know. Day 2 is where you build your technical skills in our learning management system, Canvas. And then Day 3 is all about application, where you get to build your very own capstone course module. So on Day 1, we really focus on building that solid foundation, covering the essential rules of online teaching. You'll complete key certifications on student privacy laws, that's FERPA, and you'll also tackle quizzes on accessibility standards and quality matters policies. By the end of the day, you'll walk away with a working draft of your course syllabus and a clear set of learning outcomes for your first module.
Day 2 is where we get technical. It's all about mastering the tools of the trade. You'll dive deep into Canvas to learn how to create really engaging content, build out your assignments, and manage your gradebook efficiently. Through hands-on tasks, you'll build real confidence and proficiency. And you'll also get a chance to go back and refine that syllabus you started on Day 1.
And Day 3, this is where it all comes together. It's the capstone experience. You'll take everything you learned about compliance and technology and actually apply it by building one complete, ready-to-use online course module. And the best part, the entire ODL team will be right there with you, providing one-on-one support to make sure you leave with a finished product you can be genuinely proud of.
Completing this bootcamp is more than just a great learning experience. It's about earning a real credential that recognizes your expertise. So let's look at the official certification badges you can walk away with.
So there are actually 2 levels of certification you can earn. If you complete all the deliverables for the first 2 days, you earn the Certified Online Faculty Badge, or COF. This shows you're proficient in compliance in our LMS. But for those who go all the way and complete the Day 3 capstone project, you earn the COF-CB badge. That's for Certified Online Faculty and Course Builder, and it demonstrates true mastery in practical, hands-on online course design.
Okay, we've covered the what, the why, and the how of the program. Now for the most important part, how to secure your spot. Let's talk about the next steps to apply. This quote from the syllabus really just hits the nail on the head. It captures the mission perfectly. It's not just about learning to use a few new tools. It's about empowering you to create online experiences that are rigorous, accessible, and truly reflect the high standards of a Tuskegee University education.
Please pay close attention to these dates. Maybe even take a quick screenshot. The application deadline is Friday, December 6th. You'll find out if you've been selected just 2 days later, on Monday, December 8th. And then the bootcamp itself kicks off that Wednesday, the 10th. And one last really important thing. To make sure everyone gets a high-quality, hands-on experience, we have to limit the space to just 30 participants. So if you are ready to elevate your online teaching, I strongly encourage you to apply now. Don't miss this opportunity to get certified, build an amazing online module with expert support, and completely transform your teaching for the semester ahead.